Welcome to Healthy Life. In this present situation, there is no doubt that we need to safeguard ourselves against the infections since it is spreading throughout the world. The most important thing is to boost our immunity in order to prevent getting infected. In this video, I'm going to share with you a herbal immunity booster preparation. Almost every Indian home is familiar with this herbal drink, with which when we used to have it whenever we feel feverish or when we catch cold, cough, etc. since ancient times. And this preparation is a rich source of antioxidants. Improving the antioxidant status of the body is a well-known way to reduce the risk of getting infected. So let's see how to prepare the drink. The ingredients are Tulasi, which has excellent medicinal properties. It cures fever, coughs, and it helps in curing respiratory disorders like bronchitis, asthma, etc. Ginger, it's good for digestion and it helps in reducing cold, asthma, etc. You can use dry ginger also, which is good. Next is cinnamon, which is rich in antioxidants. It boosts the immune system. It is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Pepper, it boosts the immune system as well as it improves the digestion too. Coriander seeds, which improves your digestion. A small piece of jaggery for taste. And a lemon which has vitamin C in it also boosts the immunity. I have taken this quantity of ingredients for 4 cups of herbal drink. You need to crush this pepper, cinnamon and ginger. Keep water for boiling. I have taken 4 to 5 cups of water. Add crushed ginger, pepper and cinnamon to the water. Add coriander seeds. And you can add tulsi. Add a small piece of jaggery to it for the taste. Let all the ingredients boil well for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the flame low and close it with a lid and allow it to boil for another 10 minutes. After that, you filter the herbal drink. When it gets lukewarm and ready to drink, add lemon juice to it. And our drink is ready now, which works excellent in fever, cough, cold, sore throat, etc. Thank you for watching.